Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
If your iPhone lacks a physical home button, use Assistive Touch as a virtual home button. This virtual control mirrors single tap, double tap, and press and hold actions. On older devices, the physical home button registers a single tap, a double tap, or a press and hold for 3 seconds. Assistive Touch also works on iPad and on devices with damaged buttons. I will guide you through enabling Assistive Touch, assigning common home actions, and customizing sensitivity settings for reliable interaction. Open Settings, then tap Accessibility to access assistive controls. Next, tap Touch to reveal touch-related options on your device. Then open Assistive Touch and toggle it on to display a floating on-screen home button. This process usually takes about 30 seconds to complete. The floating button appears immediately and remains until you toggle Assistive Touch off. You can move the button anywhere on the edge of the screen for comfortable reach and quick access to core functions. Open Assistive Touch settings and choose Customize Top-Level Menu to add functions. Tap the floating button, then go to Custom Actions to assign single tap, double tap, and long press behaviors. For long press, you can set Siri, App Switcher, or Control Center as actions instantly. Use back tap in accessibility for 2 taps or 3 taps to trigger home or app switcher functions. Test each action to ensure response feels natural and adjust sensitivity.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.